Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by having a website you can um, improve your online presence, outrank your competition, and of course, get more customers. So let's start. I couldn't find any website for your law firm. So I just did a quick search of a lawyer hired in New Jersey. And I'm going to explain a little bit on how does this work pretty much. So the first section that we see over here, the map section, and regardless of where you are located, if you're tagging specific areas for the whole state of New Jersey, you can definitely be in this top three. And this is very important because 67% of the people that do a Google search they don't even pass this top three and the top three on the organic results. So you could be missing a lot of customers, or a lot of potential customers. So my recommendation is if you do have a Google My Business profile, but it has to be optimized. You have to have images, content, keywords. Keywords will work to get you found on Google as well. Then of course we have the organic results. We have this is a directory. Then we have Yelp, another directory. This is another directory, I believe. This is a firm which I believe might be your main competition. And they're ranking, let me see, one, two, three, four, fifth position. So again, I'm gonna be comparing their website on tips on how, you know, if you end up having your website, what do you need to outrank them and be found here, especially in this, at least in this top three in the section. So for example, we can see here on their homepage, it says not secure. That will give them a little bit of problem to be found. And most important is that when you see this, it can scare people away because eventually you can get a message saying that this website is not secure. So basically, everything that you type in here can be traced, can be filtered. Somebody can actually get that information. We don't want that. So that will be the first thing. The second thing will be content. Content is very important to any website. Why? Because Google loves to see original content, relevant content, and it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. So, for example, in here I will suggest on your homepage have between 800 to 1200 words of content besides images. And like I said, it has to be rich, organic, relevant content. Then on the sub pages, because I'm not sure what areas your practices are, so you can emulate something like this and have a page for each specific practice that you provide, and of course the content. If we look at the back end of their website, they're being found for 36 keywords. It's not it's not too much, and I'm going to be showing, explain really quick what backlinks are. These backlinks will affect the rating of the domain and the URL rating, which will help you to be found on Google as well. That comes hand to hand with the content from your website. So backlinks pretty much are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and that will give you the power increasing this rating so it can be found on Google. Now, not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds of links, thousands of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and if they're not including the keywords that you want to be found for specifically, these numbers are going to be irrelevant because you're not going to be found on Google. So, for example, if I go here I'm going to show you this keyword, lawyer MJ. It has an average of 100 searches a month. If you were to be running Google Ads, it would cost, every time somebody clicks on it, it would cost you $6. But 100 searches is quite a lot. And the difficulty, of course, comes into it, but I'll explain that later if you have any question about this. But is medium, which will take a little bit longer to start ranking for that specific keyword. But again, something you want to consider, um, content, backlinks, and your Google profile, which is very, very important. It has to be optimized. So you actually can be found in these top three of the map section, regardless of where you are. So if you want to cover the whole state of New Jersey or just specific cities with a lot of population, for example, Trenton, Freehold, Princeton, you can definitely be here, but your profile has to be optimized. I don't want to take too much of the time, so if you have any other questions, if you think we can help you out, we're more than happy to assist you. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.